Hello, trading is closed on September 18th, 2018. Yesterday I said the pattern was very negative. Futures were down sharply. I was looking for lower prices today, and I said the only thing that would kill it would be to gap up and promptly take out yesterday's high, and I said that wasn't going to happen. Well, it did. There were a couple of clues that we weren't going to stay down. One is whenever I'm looking for a move in one direction and we gap sharply in the other direction, I just kill the call before the open. The other, here was the close on Monday. We were down the whole time, a sharp move down, and by the time we opened Tuesday, we had a complete recovery. Here's Tuesday's open. Whenever you're down sharply and you make it all back up by the open, the odds are quite good that the shorts are going to be trapped, that you'll see the day's low early and you'll rally usually into the close, but at least into the last hour of trading. And the reverse is true if you're up sharply and you give it all back by the open, up sharply overnight and can't hold it by the open. It typically means the amateurs are trapped and you're going to drop all day. So anyway, what I thought wasn't going to happen happened, but at least it was killed before the open by the standard rule. During the day, MEJT said ultimately higher price it would print, which they did. Said this drop was false. Said this rally was false. This looked like it turned, but the target was 29.0710. We came close, but it's not within the tolerance of the system. So this rally, the system said wouldn't hold, and it said we print 29.0710, and we did. The price becomes useful not when the number is generated, as always, but later on. And that's the story with the optional target today. 95% of the time, this price, 28.9606, should print by tomorrow's close. And if it doesn't, I'd forget it. That's my call, 95%. Now, it isn't good when you have this wall into the close and gap up and leave this kind of a hole in the wall, a gap. Most of the time, these gaps fill reasonably quickly, usually a day or so when you find support under this low. It isn't good when you have a gap up, hit all these new highs, can't hold on to any of them, and can't hold on to any of these highs. Now, it's all invalidated if we gap up and promptly take out these highs, and that's possible. Tomorrow's a day with an early high, late high. The majority of the time it rallies into the close. Anything's possible. I didn't think we'd get this gap up here today. And if we do gap up tomorrow, all this negativity is killed before the open. But if we don't, I think we'll see this price, 95% chance. We could have a day with this move straight and down. And I see futures were up when I started to make this, and right now they're already practically even. If we can't clear this early, we're in for a down day, and an ability to hold on to these highs can have negative implications. So unless we gap up, here's my target, support under this low. But when you drop that early on a day which usually goes up, there might be more to it. That's today's call.